Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create your Quotex referral link step by step so that you can start inviting others and earn commissions. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you need to understand here is that the Quotex broker website is different. Over here on Quotex, you can basically do the trades, but you are not going to find your referral link here. You will have to create a separate partner account on Quotex if you want to get your referral link. For that, you need to just simply open a new tab and search for Quotex affiliate. You are going to see this type of first link in front of you, which is affiliate center Quotex. So when you click on this link, you will be landed here where you can click on the option of try now. Then you need to provide your email address and create a strong password for your account in order to get access to your Quotex affiliate center. Now this is going to be your dashboard where you are going to see all of your earnings in your balance. You can withdraw it from here. Then you can take a look at the statistics. But since we want to get a referral link, you need to simply hover over to the links section. On the dashboard, you are also going to see the link option. So you can click over here. Now, as you can see, it will show you that this section contains the links that you can use to attract the referrals. By default, Quotex Affiliate Center is going to generate these links for you. So you can click on any of these links. You can basically copy them from here. Then you can start inviting people on Quotex. Now, the first link would be for the Quotex registered link. So if I just copy it from here and paste it, to see where it is actually going to redirect people, you can see it is going to redirect them on the home page of Quotex. Then we have the second link of the Android link. Then we have the third link for the main page, and then we have the link of the quick entry into the platform. So basically here Quotex is going to generate these links for you so that you don't have to do it. But if you want to create your own link, you need to simply click on the option of new link here on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to select the type of the link that you want to create. Basically, you will be able to create 4 types of link here, which we have seen earlier. So we have main page, registered link, Android, or quick entry into the platform. So let's say I'm going to be selecting this one. After that, you need to enter the comment. So here you can type anything. Let's say I type this, then click on the option of save in the bottom. Now, when you hit save, you will notice that previously there were 4 links, and now one link which I have added over here is here. So you can click on that link in order to copy it from here. As you can see, this is the link that we have created. So you can copy it from here and start using it in order to refer people. You can share it in your YouTube account, blogs, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever you like. And when you come back here in your dashboard, you will be able to basically check and track how many people have signed up, how much you have earned, and your current affiliate rank. Now, Quotex pays out affiliate earnings weekly and monthly depending on your performance. So you can also click on the option of withdrawals in order to withdraw your amount in your account. You can also take a look at the affiliate program if you want to know more about how Quotex affiliate program works. Here on the terms and conditions page, you can just take a look at it and make sure before applying to the affiliate program or before generating the links, you know how the affiliate program from Quotex actually works so that you don't make any of the mistakes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.